In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit invoice template in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you're looking at, and how to confidently customize the look and contents of your invoice PDF so it matches your brand and communicates clearly with your customers. Start by heading to the top right corner of your Zoho Books screen and clicking the gear icon. It looks like a small cog and opens your settings. From there, choose PDF templates. This is the central place where Zoho organizes all printable document layouts for your account. On the PDF templates page, you'll see several categories, each with a ready-to-use standard template. Think of these as starting points. They're functional out of the box, but they're also meant to be personalized to reflect your logo, your colors, and the way you prefer information to appear. Next, select the invoice category. Here, you can either click Edit on an existing invoice template to refine what you already use or create a new one if you want a fresh layout. Both options take you to the same editing screen, where the real customization happens. Inside the editor, you can tailor both the visual style and the information that shows up. This is where you can add your logo, pick colors and fonts that match your brand, and adjust spacing so your invoice looks clean and professional. You can also control which fields appear, such as item descriptions, quantities, taxes, discounts, and totals, and choose how totals are summarized. If you include payment terms, due dates, or notes for your customer, this is the place to format them clearly. Many users also add brief payment instructions or a friendly thank you message to reduce confusion and encourage quicker payments. As you work, look for a preview area that shows how your changes will render on the actual PDF. It's a great way to catch alignment issues or text that needs trimming before you finalize anything. If your business operates in multiple regions, make sure labels and tax details are described in a way your customers will understand. Consistent language, legible font sizes, and clear section headings can make a big difference in how professional your invoice feels. When you're happy with the design and content, make sure to save your changes. Saving locks in your updates so future invoices that use this template will reflect your new look immediately. And that's all. With just a few clicks, you've navigated to PDF templates, chosen the invoice category, customized the layout and content, and saved your work. You're ready to send polished, on-brand invoices with confidence.